Now we will see web cache poisoning through host header attack. So you have to find a URL having status code either 2 XSS or 3 XSS, and then you have to try once on each 2 XSS or 3 XSS. And if internal domain will change after that, then there may be host header attack web cache poisoning. So let's try on this website. So I'll spider this website first, copy this, let's spider this. Okay, so let's proxy intercept is on, let's spider this, send this to spider. Yes, done. Now I found there is 200 on the first, right click, send this to repeater. I'll try there bing.com. let's do bing.com, click on go, and I got to there's a bing.com. Yes, so this may be clickable anywhere. Okay, we don't know, right click, so they change the internal domain, so you can show response in browser. If it will redirect, then there is a host header attack open redirection. If not, then there may be either cross-site scripting or maybe web cache poisoning. So if there is a clickable, no. So see this is a login.unaccessed, no, we cannot try there. This is also okay. See this, if I'll click this, it's redirecting to bing.com. that means there was a web cache poisoning. So I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session.